In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks. If you're familiar with QuickBooks, you know that managing your transactions efficiently is crucial for maintaining an accurate set of books. However, sometimes transactions get deleted by mistake. But don't worry, restoring them is not as complicated as it might seem. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing this task. First, open QuickBooks and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Click on the Reports section. The Reports feature is your gateway to many essential functions in QuickBooks, and today we're going to use it to access the audit log, which is key to tracking and recovering deleted transactions. After selecting Reports, you'll need to choose Standard Reports from the available options. Within this section, there's a search bar that will help you quickly find what you need. Simply type Audit Log into the search bar and hit Enter. The Audit Log is a powerful feature as it keeps a detailed record of all activities within your QuickBooks account, allowing you to track changes and, importantly, recover deleted transactions. Once you click on the Audit Log, you'll be presented with a list of all the transactions and events that have occurred. It might feel overwhelming at first, but no worries. You can filter and sort the information to find exactly what you're looking for. Focus on finding the deleted transaction you need to restore. Navigate to the area labeled All Transactions within the Events section. This is where you want to concentrate as it contains more detailed information about each transaction. Look for the option that says View and click it. By choosing View, you're opening a window that provides a clear and comprehensive view of all the transactions that have been deleted. In this more detailed view, go through the list of transactions to locate the one that requires restoration. The clarity of this display makes it easy to identify mistakes and make corrections. Once you've found the transaction, follow the prompts to restore it fully. It's satisfying to see everything back in its place, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've just learned how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks. Maintaining clear and accurate financial records is essential for any business, and now you have one more tool in your toolkit to manage these records effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful QuickBooks tips.